Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to link workboard to card in Trello. So first thing that you will do is of course go to your Trello and go for one of your boards. And now from here, make sure you have two boards. Just simply go for your secondary board. And after that, just simply go ahead and copy this link over here to your secondary board. And once you have copied it, just simply go to your primary board and just simply add a card. And from here, let's say this card will be project 1, and click on add card and select the project 1, and you will have this window over here. And you should be able to see here attachment on the right side, and click on that, and you should be able to paste the link over here. And after that, just simply select insert, and as you can see, we will have the links over here. And when someone click on the link, as you can see, it will redirect them to the board that we just copied the link. And that's simply about it. Thanks for watching.